Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have the Allure Beauty Box for June 2020. Let's see what's inside. So the Allure Beauty Box is a $15 per month subscription. As a rule, we get 5 to 6 products inside, sometimes deluxe samples, sometimes full size. It varies, but it's always, I find, worth the $15. So when we open it up, oh, it has no paper. Does it usually have paper? It usually has paper, right? Isn't there usually red paper? I have no paper. It doesn't matter. I just registered it as different. We have a little pamphlet. It will tell us a little bit about all of the products that we received from the perspective of one of their employees or editors that tried it. So we will see what they had to say about it. But you can guess that they liked it or it wouldn't be in here. Reaching in right on top, going across so big in the middle is the Perlice Watermelon Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. And this is definitely a full-size tube of the Perlice cleanser. Let's see what the paperwork says about it. So the paperwork says that this is an $18 value. So right off the bat, if you like this product, you have exceeded the cost of the box, which makes everything else free. This says, usually anything too fragrant or oil absorbing has a big potential to dry out my sensitive skin. I have to tell you, first line in, I'm intrigued. And yet, I keep reaching for this watermelon and charcoal cleanser because it strikes the perfect balance between clarifying and soothing. You can see the pore vacuuming charcoal inside the black tinted gel when you squeeze it out of the tube. The watermelon scent is refreshing, not cloying. It's nothing like watermelon gum. And the cleanser removes the day's makeup and leaves behind a clean, fresh feeling without drying me out. So I've been using it twice a day. Well, I have to tell you, I had thought about taking a pass on that, but she made this sound really good even for dry, sensitive skin. All right, let's squeeze some of this out and see if it is a cloying watermelon gel. And it is kind of a black gel, but it's not. It's kind of more just got a tint to it, but you can see the little beads in it. I hope you guys can see that too. It does have just a nice light watermelon scent. It feels fantastic. It smells delicious. This smells exactly like what you want to be putting on your face in the summer. It is a heavenly watermelon scent. It's definitely that fake watermelon scent, but it still smells really good. It really does. It smells so good. But it's so light that you can tell it's just going to go into a clear gel. And I don't see any little dots in it anymore. Okay, the funny thing is, I am filming this right after I just did my Ipsy Ultimate, which you can tell by the repeat in clothing. And I just put that on the back of my hand where I had swatched some tinted primer before. And look, it took it right off. I mean, and I had already used one of these on the back of my hand. So that is interesting. So it is a good cleanser. Okay, I have to start taking what they say in here a little more seriously. You know, we usually have some fun with it, but she convinced me to try it. Next, I have a sample. It is the Believe the True Cream Aqua Balm Aloe Vera. And this is something that I won't try until I look into the ingredients because a lot of the Aqua Balm products have licorice in them. Let's see what the paperwork says about them now. Maybe they can convince me to try it. This young lady says that she uses the Believe's new Aqua Balm Aloe Vera formula, an update on the brand's super popular Aqua Balm Gel Cream. Their original beloved hydrator is still available, but this new version ups the ante with aloe extract. She applies it right after her serums, but before her sunscreen, and her skin is instantly dewy. And then she says, when I'm staying in for the day, I like to add an extra layer for a brief at-home facial. Well, we've got a lot of staying in for the days going on, so we could do a lot of facials with this. Reaching in next, I have a Star Skin 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Sheet Mask. That is really cool. So it's a sheet mask, but it's got oil in it up there. Let's see what the paperwork says about it. Sometimes I feel like every sheet mask is the same. They are all soaked in serum and easy to wear around the house. But this Star Skin mask features one big difference. It comes with a vial of pure camellia seed oil to boost its hydrating effects. The oil is naturally packed with fatty acids, which help plump up even super dry skin, and antioxidants. First, apply the oil all over your face, and then you put on the sheet mask, which has niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, and camellia oil. Open up the sheet mask section before you apply the oil because your hands will be slippery. That is a helpful hint. The 2-step treatment will leave your skin with a pretty gleam, but I like to use the duo right before bed for softer skin the next day, and I use the extra oil in the ampule to moisturize in the morning. That is very interesting. It is a $10 value. That seems like a fun sheet mask for $10. Next I have, I think, another sheet mask. Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. I do love an eye mask. Like I've said in the past, I think they're probably my favorite. Sheet masks are nice, but eye masks are just so easy. The paperwork says Shangpri Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. In my experience, masks are either pretty, say in a fancy metallic shade, ooh, speaking of shade, or they work great. But these Shangpri masks are both effective and Instagram worthy. They are made of black hydrogel with a gold shimmer and are soaked in an essence made with glycerin, black pearl, and gold extracts. In 20 minutes, these patches cleared up the puffiness from several sleepless nights and helped get rid of some dry patches at the corners of my eyes. You get 60 patches in one tub, enough mask selfies to last a month. So 60 patches, 30, because 2 eyes. Yeah, that seems silly now that I hear myself saying it. So for those 60 patches, it is $60. And they're actually sending you to Amazon to purchase it. That is interesting. I will definitely be trying this. Next, I have the Yenta Super 8 Lip Oil. I have one of these. I actually have it downstairs and I like it a lot. Yeah, I think this is the exact same color and everything. It is so pretty. See how it has almost like that opalescent look to it? That is so pretty. I am not going to open this in case I want to put it in a giveaway since I already own one, but it just swatches out to basically it's just a gloss with just a tinge, just a little tinge of pink. This says the Yenta Super 8 Lip Oil is a $28 value. Wow. This oil has a hot pink tint that perks up your complexion, but the color is sheer. It's closer to a popsicle stain than a gloss. That is true. And it quickly dries down to a thin layer on the lips without any added stickiness or greasiness. It's loaded with antioxidants and moisturizers, including vitamin E, coconut, and avocado seed oil. So each time you put it on, you're also working towards smoother lips in the long run. All right, that is very nice. Like I said, I will set that aside for a giveaway because I already have one and I do like it very much. And last but not least, and this is very interesting, I have a Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Palette. And it says wears just like a salon gel, lasts up to 14 days, and there are 34 strips in here. And that is what that looks like. Isn't that interesting? Let's read about this and then get in here and see what we've actually got. I've been trying to spend more quality time with my nails these days. I had that lavender on there and you guys were very, very complimentary of the lavender. It was hard when it needed to be redone, not to just put that same color back on, but I decided to go ahead and do something different. The paperwork says that this is a $9 value. That seems very reasonable if you like it. Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. When I was a beauty intern making $0, I would do an at-home manicure once a week. I got really good at applying nail stickers, and Dashing Diva was one of the first brands that I tried. The gel gloss strips have a lot of shine and long-lasting designs, and they easily apply. Just clean your nails with alcohol, then match the strip size to each nail. Stick it on cuticle side first, smooth out the bubbles. You don't need a fancy tool, just use your fingertips, and file off the excess. At a glance, a coworker even assumed I'd gotten my nails done at a trendy New York salon. Very interesting. What I like about these is some seem to be a design, and I wonder if you can put the designs over like regular polish. Okay, I took it out and it comes with a cute little nail file. So you can, I imagine you put the sticker on and then you file down. That's how you used to do it. File down to get the edge of the sticker off. So you have this, which is to do a full set because you have that times 2. So that's 22 of your stickers. And then you have 4 of each of these designs. Those are so neat. And like I said, I wonder if like, especially with these 2 clear ones, if I could just like take one of these and put it over that dark nail that I did just for a little pizzazz. I have read this and they seem pretty adamant that you're putting this on a clean, dry, alcoholed nail. So I would say that when you want to do your nails like this, these here that they've given you odd ones of, you have to put them just on your bare nails. So you will get just those designs, which is fine, fantastic. I just wondered if I could lay that over my nail polish, but they seem very adamant about it going on a clean, dry nail. Oh, this one even has pearls on it. Can you see that? It's got little, those are actual bumps of pearl. That's super cool. All right, when I have these on, I will be sure and point them out to you guys. And that is it for my Glossy Box for June 2020. And I think it was a really nice box. I mean, you can't really go wrong when you start out with an $18 product in a $15 box. And I am anxious to try this. I will admit, the way the girl talked about it won me over. We also got the Believe Aqua Balm that has the aloe vera in it, the Shampoo eye masks, the Star Skin full face mask, these really cool nail stickers, and the Yenta Beauty lip oil, which I will set aside for a giveaway. Let me know below what you guys think. Has anybody tried these stickers? Let me know below if you have. Let me know any tips that you might have. Or if you've tried that watermelon cleanser, let me know what you think about it. Thanks again so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.